In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill in Xero, a popular accounting software. If you're managing business finances, knowing how to effectively handle bills in a digital format can save you both time and hassle. So let's dive straight into it. First things first, you'll want to log in to Xero. Head over to the Xero accounting software website and you'll see the login option on the home page. Click on the login button, which will guide you to the login page. Here you need to enter your email and password. Remember to keep your login credentials secure. Once you've entered your information, click login again to access your Xero dashboard. Upon landing on your dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options. What we're interested in is the business tab, so locate and click on business. This will lead you to different business related functions. Next, select bills to pay from the drop down menu. This section will allow you to manage the bills that you're responsible for paying. Now to add a new bill, look for the new bill button. Clicking on it will open a new window where you can input the relevant details from your supplier's invoice. Here's where you need to pay close attention. Ensure you carefully enter all the invoice details such as the supplier's name, description of the service or products, and the cost. It's crucial to double check these entries to prevent any discrepancies or accounting errors down the line. Once you've thoroughly filled out the invoice details, you have a couple of options. You can either click save if you're not ready to finalize the bill just yet. Saving allows you to return to it later to make any necessary adjustments. Alternatively, if you are confident that everything is accurate and complete, you can proceed to click approve. Approving the bill means it's now officially recorded in Xero and you can set it up for future payment. And there you have it. You've successfully created a bill in Xero. These steps help streamline your bill management process, making it easier to keep your accounts in order. It's always vital to ensure precision in every detail you enter on Xero, as this facilitates smooth financial management and avoids unnecessary complications. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Feel free to revisit any part of this video to clarify the specifics.